Are you experiencing error code WS-116520-5 on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the PlayStation network page. You experience error code WS-116520-5 on your PS5, mostly when there is a server issue. When you get such an error, first check the PSN server status. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select Network, then select View PlayStation Network Status. If there is any ongoing maintenance or issues with the server, then also you may get the error. You can also open the PlayStation Network server page to check for any issues. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait for some time and then check again. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Another thing you should check is that your internet connection is stable. You can try connecting other devices to the same network to see if they work properly. You can also restart the router or modem and check that if it helps. You can also open PS5 settings, then head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. You can also connect your service provider for help. Method 3. Restart your router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem with at least for 5 minutes. Turn them back on now and check if that could resolve the issue. Method 4. Update router firmware. Contact your internet service provider or network administrator. Request to update the firmware of your router. Method 5. Check the placement of the device. To ensure optimal performance and connectivity for your PS5, it is crucial to pay attention to the placement of the device. Start by positioning your PS5 as close to your router as possible, as this minimizes the distance the signal has to travel and can significantly reduce potential connection issues. Additionally, it's important to remove any obstacles that might be obstructing the line of sight between your PS5 and the router. Physical barriers such as walls, furniture, or other electronic devices can interfere with the signal strength and cause connectivity problems. By strategically placing your PS5 and clearing any obstructions, you can enhance the overall gaming experience by maintaining a strong and stable connection. Method 6. Use a wired connection. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your PS5 directly to your modem or router. Connecting your PS5 directly to your modem or router using an Ethernet cable can provide a more stable and faster internet connection compared to Wi-Fi. This can be especially beneficial for online gaming, streaming, and downloading large files. So try that and check if this could resolve the connection error. Method 7. Change DNS settings. The next thing you can try is change the DNS settings and see if that helps. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Setup Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 8. Ensure firewall is not blocking the PSN connection. Access your router settings. Log into your router's control panel using your web browser. Find the section related to firewall rules or port forwarding. Verify that the following PlayStation Network ports are listed as open and allowed: TCP:80,443,3478,3479,3480, UDP 3478,347.9,49152265535. If any of the required ports are blocked, add a new rule to allow traffic on those ports. You can contact your service provider for help. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error code WS-116520-5 on a PS5 console. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products we have used in this video. If you found this video helpful, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.